guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. For those of you that are new, my name is Maggie and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to make cookies and cream ice cream. It is the best ice cream ever. My nieces and nephews call it Oreo ice cream because obviously that's what goes into the ice cream. You don't need an ice cream machine for it. It's really easy, delicious. The most work is going to be putting it in the fridge to set. That's about it. If you want to see how it comes together, make sure you keep watching. So for this, really couldn't be easier. You're going to need some chocolate syrup, some crushed Oreos, heavy whipping cream, vanilla paste or vanilla extract, whatever you have, and then some sweetened condensed milk. So to my heavy whipping cream, I'm going to add in about a tablespoon or so of my vanilla paste. You can use vanilla extract. I just don't have any on hand. So vanilla paste is what I'm using. And I'm going to whip this until it comes to nice and stiff peaks. Alright, so my whipped mixture is nice and whipped, as you could see. You just want to be careful. Once you get it to this point, you're going to want to stop. Otherwise, you're going to get butter, and you don't want that. So to this, I'm going to fold in my sweetened condensed milk. If I can open it. I'm just going to gradually pour it in and fold it in. There we go. Okay, just look at the consistency of this. I really wish you could see it better, but it's nice and smooth. It's like whipped goodness. Looks delicious. So to this, I'm going to add in my crushed cookies. I'm going to fold these in, and I'm going to put this into a freezer-safe container. Oh, it smells so good, you guys. I can't even tell you. I will be licking the spatula, that is for sure. Okay, I'm gonna get my container. Now for this, I would suggest, I might have to put this into two, but something that's not super deep, because we're gonna add in the chocolate later. I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do with that later. But I like to do it so it's not super deep, so that I can get the chocolate as low as I can. Oh, actually this will fit into one. So I'm gonna go ahead and add all of this in. Good enough to eat right now, let me tell you. Alright, so what you're going to do now is you're going to place your ice cream into the freezer for about 2 hours or so, maybe not even. The goal of this is to make it a little bit harder, but still soft enough to puncture it with like a knife or a fork, because we're going to drizzle the chocolate into it and you want to be able to swirl it around freely, but you don't want it to be floating around everywhere, if that makes sense. So put it in the freezer and I'll see you here in about an hour and a half, 2 hours. So my ice cream was in the freezer for about an hour and 40 minutes, and you want it to be still, like movable, but not like it's gonna, pour out like we did when we first got it. Put it in here, I mean. You're gonna take your chocolate sauce, and this is what you're gonna do. As little or as much as you want. That I'm gonna leave up to you. Look at that. Look at this goodness. And then what I do, take a butter knife, and I just kind of go right into it, just like so, to kind of spread it around. And I just do that enough to kind of spread it around, not to turn it into chocolate. So then this is going to go back into your freezer overnight. And tomorrow you can enjoy some cookies and cream ice cream. So it's a beautiful day outside, so I wanted to enjoy my ice cream outside. I just wanted to show you. Don't mind the cookies, because I was taking the thumbnail picture, so I had 3 cookies, one for each. But I'm going to eat them all now. But look at that. You can see the Oreos, the fudge that we added in. It looks amazing. Let me tell you how it tastes. Tastes even better than it looks, which is hard because it looks amazing. Super creamy, not overwhelmingly chocolatey, because we only added that little drizzle of chocolate. It's not like you're eating chocolate ice cream. The Oreos, the chunks Got nice and soft. Absolutely unbelievable. Cannot wait for you to try this. You're gonna love it. Head over right now to the Lazy Girls Kitchen to get the recipe. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye. One more bite. So good.